In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located under the hood on the left side. Let's get into it. Take the cover off the battery. There's a little tab right here. Just push on that, and this cover comes off. Loosen up the negative terminal. Use a 10mm wrench. Just loosen up the nut. Grab the terminal and wiggle it off. Disconnect the positive side, use a 10mm wrench. Loosen that up. Slide that off. Down on the side of the battery, there's a hold down. You're going to use a 13mm socket. Take that bolt, that hold down out. Now just grab the battery and we'll pull it out. Now take the battery and slide it in position. It's good. You want to pull it this way a little bit. And put the mount in place. Snug that down. Now connect the positive terminal. Tighten that down snug, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Connect the negative terminal. Tighten down the nut. Just snug, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. Take the cover, slide the back 2 tabs in place, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.